Hi folks, Mr. Bullock here, and this lesson is on the triangle inequality theorem. Okay, and what this says is the sum of any two lengths of a triangle is always greater than the third side. So if we have this triangle right here, you just got to, there's three different possibilities. The sum of this side plus this side must be greater than this side, and then this side plus this side must be greater than this side, and finally this side plus this side must be greater than this side. There's three different possibilities, okay? Otherwise it will not make a triangle if any one of those fails. So tell whether a triangle can have the sides with the given lengths, and so explain. Okay, number one, 3, 5, and 7. So is 3 plus 5 greater than 7? Yes. Is 3 plus 7 greater than 5? Yes. And 5 plus 7 is greater than 3. So yes, it is a triangle because the triangle inequality theorem says so. All right, what about this one? 4, 6.5, and 11. Well, no, 4 plus 6.5 is 10.5, and that's not greater than 11, so that won't even make a triangle, so that is no. Okay, what about this? 7, 18, and 25. Well, again, 7 plus 18 is not greater than 25. It equals 25, but it must be greater than 25, so that can't make a triangle either. Okay, so here we go. The lengths of two sides of a triangle are 6 centimeters and 11 centimeters. Find the range of possible lengths of the third side. Okay, so I'm going to let x be the third side, you guys, and there's three different possibilities. X plus 6 must be greater than 11, or x plus 11 must be greater than 6, and then finally 6 plus 11 must be greater than that x. Okay, well we already know that x is greater than 11, so when we add another length to it, it's just going to be even greater, so we can disregard that one right there. So I'm going to take off 6 on over there on the left and get x is greater than 5, and I'm going to add 6 plus 11 to get 17, so 17 is greater than x. So I'm going to put it in this inequality right here. X is between 5 and 17, so 5 is less than x is less than 17. And here's the trick, you guys. When you see a problem like that, just add those two numbers, 11 plus 6, that's my upper boundary, and subtract those two numbers, and that's my lower boundary, okay, when you see a problem like that. So here's another one in a word problem. The figure shows approximate distances between cities in California. What is the range of distances from San Francisco to Oakland? So I see X and 51 and 46. So I'm going to add them together and subtract them. And I get my upper boundary is 97. My lower boundary is 5. So that distance is between 5 miles and 97 miles. And a lot of you guys are thinking, well, duh, that's, pretty wide range. But, there's most people in the United States don't know how close all these cities are together because they don't live in California. So you can just say that given that's the range between San Francisco to Oakland. Okay, and then the lengths of two sides of a triangle are 3 feet and 5 feet, which could be the length of the third side. Okay, now so the third side is going to have to be between 5 plus 3, which is 8, and 5 minus 3, which is 2. So I know that third side has to fall between 2 and 8. And the only one that does is this guy right here, choice A.